Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is much awaited. Yes, you guessed it right. You are wondering what is Web 3.0 and what's in it for you. I'm Zindagi Sultan and today's video will clear everything about Web 3.0 in an easy way with daily life examples. Knowing about Web 3.0 is crucial these days. It's as important as food. There are so many opportunities for you. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered that whenever you visit some shopping mall or talk about a certain product in a telephonic conversation with your friend, the next moment, if you start browsing your mobile, the same advertisements are being shown to you? Is this a coincidence? Certainly not. Not at all. This is the advertisement world, and the dark side of it is that all your digital activities are being tracked, and almost all companies including Facebook, Amazon, etc. steal your data and sell it to different brands. These companies promise us not to misuse our data, but they just lie and breach our trust. Privacy is just a myth in present-day internet world. Is there any solution? Yes, of course, Web 3.0 is the solution. Web 3.0 is not only the solution, but it has tremendous opportunities for all of you. Want to know more? So let's stay with me. You will enjoy this internet journey. Internet starts with Web 1.0 from 1990 to 2005. Experts consider this era as read-only. It means that when the internet started, you couldn't be able to interact. You had only one choice then, to read news, articles, etc. No videos, no flash, just some photos here and there. And those too would load with difficulty. Yahoo, MSN, Internet Explorer were big names then. Those who have used that internet might feel nostalgic now. That was a golden era, full of wonder and excitement. At those times, there were no Wi-Fi, DSL, only paid-to-use kind of scratch cards, dial-up internet. Web 2.0. This starts from 2005 to 2020. Still, it's Web 2.0, but now the Web 3.0 buzz is a new sensation because it's the next big thing that's going to replace Web 2.0. Okay, in Web 2.0, we moved from read era to write era as well, because now we were able to read and write content. We were content creators. Interactivity started with the start of Flash and then so many other technologies. Videos started with YouTube. Interactive social media started with Facebook and then Insta, etc. Web stores started, online shopping started with Amazon, eBay and all other stores. Though in Web 2.0 we were content creators, but we were not the owners of that content in real sense. Because the owners of these platforms have full control not only on our data but also on our content. They can delete or approve every single piece of content. Furthermore, if you create content on YouTube and get monetized, then big chunk of your earnings are taken by YouTube. And now YouTube also runs ads on the videos which are not monetized. It means they are taking all the 100% revenue. Not only this, despite all these heavy profit sharing, they can shut down any channel and take down any video anytime. Almost all big companies and platforms have all our details and they manipulate our data easily. They have all authorities, they make all terms and conditions and rules, and they can break these terms and conditions anytime. So they are just like big boss and we are just their contestants. Now let's talk about the biggest attraction of modern times, that is 3.0 web. Now follow me carefully. Web 3.0 is not only that we are talking about internet. new era. But also it means your career, your earning opportunities, and overall your good luck. You will be happy to know what's in it for you. We can read, we can write. Of course, we are content creators here, but not as the contestants of Big Boss, but actually we are owners of our own content. Why? Because all the previous era was centralized, including Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Our banks, our currencies like dollars, bonds, etc. But cryptocurrency is blockchain based. So does Web 3.0, means Web 3.0 is decentralized. Why decentralized is considered good? Because there is no concept of one person ownership, but all the stakeholders of that particular crypto are owners. Web 3.0 is decentralized. Now what will happen? I'm not going to use any difficult words. I'll explain you in the simplest words. We will get freedom of speech in Web 3.0. Also, no one can delete our content. Now, one question arises. If no one can delete our content, then what about hate content and objectionable content? I'll tell you about this in a moment. You know, in centralized Web 2.0, YouTube takes 40% or 45% of our revenue. But in decentralized Web 3.0, we will keep more than 90% of our earnings. Already, DTube's Steemit have started working, and other platforms will also start working soon. Even on watching videos and reading content, we will get money. No one can steal our identity in Web 3.0 because we will represent ourselves in Web 3.0 as our avatars. VTubing already has started. You can earn millions through making, buying, and selling NFTs. And what are NFTs? I will soon upload video on NFTs. You might already have heard the name of metaverse. This Web 3.0 is a world in itself, and the earlier you equip yourself with it, the earlier you will reap benefits. I will highly recommend you to learn making models, 3D, 2D models, avatars, Web 3.0 working, NFTs, because it's a huge world. Let me conclude just highlights of Web 3.0. The best thing is no one can steal our data and misuse it. On blockchain, we will make transactions with our IDs without showing our real names and all other details. In Web 3.0, we will represent with our avatars. We are the owner of our content and we can earn whatever we can. As blockchain can be accessed from different servers, so no downtime, and the speed of Web 3.0 will be amazingly high. DAO, DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, will handle Web 3.0. And what is DAO? I will discuss this in the future video. Web 3.0 is evolved in itself. I can't cover all things in one single video. In short, I just want to tell you that in Web 3.0, all the shopping experience will be changed. For instance, if you want to buy clothes, you can try clothes, you can feel clothes, and if you want to buy sofas, curtains, decorations, etc., you can try all these in real time. Now the question arises that if there is no owner of Web 3.0, then who will run it? It will be run by its stakeholders like you and me. The founders will make the initial rules. Further decisions will be executed by voting. Those who have more shares will have greater voting powers. Earlier in this video, I mentioned about hate or objectionable content. This will also be decided by stakeholders of that particular project. I highly recommend you to get more and more knowledge about Web 3.0, its projects, Web 3.0 crypto projects, NFTs, metaverse, and all that stuff, because it will create tremendous earning opportunities, career opportunities for you. If you want to get more updates about how you can earn through Web 3.0, through metaverse, through VTubing, and all other stuff, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.